Yo, what is going on, y'all? It is X from Let's Get Free TV, and in this video today, I'm just gonna make a quick little tutorial on how you guys can mint your Zen. Zen is now live. Let's get into it. I apologize. I know I sound kind of sick. I'm not sick. I'm just mad tired. All right. But that being said, if you enjoy the video, please do not forget to leave a thumbs up on this video as it helps me out on the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you enjoy me or the content, do not forget to tap that subscribe button. All right, let's hop into it. So the first thing that you guys are going to have to do is go to zen.network, and I'm going to leave a link down in the description below, and then it'll take you to the Zen app. All you do is go over here to the left, you click mint, you connect your wallet, and you can't see this, but I'm verifying in my MetaMask right now. And then this box will pop up, it'll say start minting. You can pick your days, you can pick 100 or up to like 299 or 350, I think. I'm just gonna pick 350, and then your MetaMask pop up and you pay the gas fee, and then you're minted. And then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after you actually mint and where you would come back to claim it. So after you guys actually mint, it'll pop up like this, and then once your term days are up, you would come back and you would click on claim to send the tokens to the wallet that you minted on, or you could push claim and share and send the tokens to a different address, or you can push claim plus stake, claim them and stake them immediately depending on what you wanted to do. And then you would click this button, you would go through the authorization in your MetaMask, and that is it. All right, y'all, that is it for this video. Just wanted to make a quick one, and I'll catch you on the next one.